And welcome to Geekatplay Studio tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll create backgrounds, which is actually you can use in your video. Let's look on example. Here's our video. Okay, here's a pirate. It's me. I'm dancing. I'm very happy, but I'm sad dancing on a green screen. So what I want to do, I want to extend it, put it some way in more environment this time. Okay, so let's go do this way. First, we'll go set up the camera, and if you notice on our video, and this is always kind of very useful to see this. Okay, let's pause right here. You can see camera located about eye level. So we'll go to main camera, and let's go see it has said 1.8 meters. It's about right around where the camera was set, so by default it's very nice position. Next, what we want to do, just go ahead and make your imagination creating something on a background. I'm probably going to put it some buildings, maybe create some road. Let me go ahead and extend this one. Okay. So we'll just drop this one. Okay, well, let's go to assign some materials. We'll just go ahead to let's see what we have here. Rocks. Well, just let's set brick for this one. This will be like pavement, something street, and let's put it buildings around here. So file, load object right here. And we'll just load some buildings. We'll just find better angle. This house. Also, what I want to do, I want to go ahead and switch this to widescreen so we can match our camera. And the shot was done about 55 millimeters, so we'll go match as well our camera settings. So put a 55. We can go ahead and move slightly away. Okay, let's go load some other one object. Okay, and okay, let's go to, let's wait till it's finished loading. Okay, it's ready right here. We'll just move it and scale and adjust slightly. So here's another our building, just maybe behind, and maybe putting another one more building. So let's load it one more. Okay, we'll go to workshop. It does matter. They're actually very nice if you can put a trees. What I want to do, I want to just create kind of pirate layer, maybe. I don't know what we call that one. Bunch of buildings. Next, let's adjust our light. What's happening, if you remember, our light, it's positioned kind of on the middle. So let's go position our lights right here. Leave it down. Let's go to atmosphere editing, and we kind of want to match our background. So let's go look again on our image. You can see how the shadows, the very soft shadows, so we need to increase ambient light to match the lighting we have on our animation. So let's go to lights, increase maybe more ambient light, put it global illumination. Okay, and right here we can go ahead maybe increase going. So this should be working very well for us right now. So let's go ahead. What I want to do, you want to probably, if it's animation, at least put on broadcast, because it will add motion blur. And if you do stills, you can do superior, ultra, or final. For the quality, I'll just leave it on broadcast quality. I want to render to screen, and because it's very static, I want to render just one image. The render animation, it's take a little bit longer time when we can do this. And the next, also I want to render just 800 by 500 resolution. Our footage, if you notice, this is not high definition footage. This is shot on normal DV camera, so the 800 by 500 will be more than enough. Sometimes I'm rendering on high resolution and I can scale or rotate, and I still have a very decent resolution for me. Let's click render and let's wait. Okay, so here we finish render our backdrop. If you notice, I create a little bit place so our pirate can dance around here. Let's go save right now our. Okay, we go ahead save as backdrop.jpg. Okay, maximum resolution. Click OK. Same way, so you can save the animation, so it's not different will be in this case. Also, if you want, you can save as z depth if you want to add motion blur, but in this case just a distance blur, sorry, but in this case we want. So we're done here. Let's go to our After Effects. In After Effects I have it our animation already here, so here's our pirate. Okay, let's go next, create a new composition. Okay, 740 should be fine. Click OK. Let's go take our pirate and drop and drag on our composition. Next, what we need to do, it is remove green screen first. But before, what I recommend is just using mask and go click around. So we'll mask him out first. Hide. Next we're going to Effects, King. We'll go ahead to select okay, select green screen. And also I want to go ahead and go on screen mate. Okay, so what we're going to do is go to our screen mate, expand it. We'll go to clip a little bit black and also white, so we have it a little bit sharper, and also a little bit add the blur so it's nicer. And sometimes we like shrink just a slight. So okay, if we go in preview right now, we have a nice image of the pirate cutting off. Couple things right here what we want to do, we can put on hard light and place color. I'm going to just set kind of grayish green, so we'll have a nice removing just green edges a little bit better on that, maybe even more. Okay, now we're ready for our background. We'll just drop and drag to our project, and next we'll take this background and bring right behind. So here we already have it. You can preview our pirate which dancing. Next thing, so what we need to do is adjust a little bit colors and maybe just add shadow to our pirate. So in add shadow, it's easy, so we control just copy, duplicate it, go on the bottom one. Okay. And also we can do a couple of things. One, we can go ahead and turn in 3D and drop that way. So let's go ahead and do this way. Okay, so we can go ahead rotation, snapping. If you press shift button while you rotate, it will snap it. So put it down a little bit right here. Okay. So let's look on the left side. Just let it adjust this way. We can rotate, also turn it to 3D so we can preview. No. So let's go to active camera. We can just slightly maybe readjust him. Kind of matching. Also, you can notice shadows, how they're going. Fine, go about straight ahead, so we don't need to rotate. Another case, we actually can take it our tool and we can rotate adjustment shadows a little bit. So we don't do in this case. Next, going next effects, go to color correction, go to hue saturation, take our way down and saturation. So now we have black one. Okay, let's go to effects, transition, and we go to the line. Let's go set this to 0. Okay. Actually, what I want to do is go all the way here. So we kind of wipe out, if you notice, from the top. So we go a little bit down and increase feathering. Let's give it nice distance. Okay, we can go ahead to our effects. Okay, and just maybe slightly reduce opacity. So here is we have our pirates with a shadow. Next, we're going to layer, new adjustment layer. Okay, and let's go to effect. Okay, we'll go to color correction, levels. I just want to bring a little bit more crush black in this. So just make colors look better. Okay, let's go to layer, new, solid. Just do black color. Okay, go ahead, select clips tools, just double time click, so let's create tool here, have mask open. I want to switch this to subtract, and next we'll just go ahead and increase feathering, and maybe just drop just slightly opacity, so we have this vignette around. And here we go, we created our pirate and see now a background that we created in a view. And then you can create animated backdrop if you want it, or any other ones. Yeah, thanks. Let's go to reduce it, and let's re-render our preview. So here's our final animation done with a happy pirate jumping in a city. Additional filters you may apply if you want. Okay, thank you for watching this tutorial from Geekatplay Studio. Please come visit us on the web is www.geekatplay.com.